Hello guys, welcome here to another video. On this video I'm going to show you how you can get Apple Carplay, Android Auto, and mirroring your phone on an Audi A3. So I got this 7-inch screen, and this is just a quick unboxing on what you get when you purchase one of these. So this is not a sponsor, but so far does seem to have a pretty good quality. So let's get this out and see what we get. So the first thing that we get is the manual, which is pretty surprising, based that I've installed several of these, and this is the first time I get a manual with it, which is kind of handy. Gotta give it to them. That's pretty good. So here it gives you the models that this particular module applies to, and here at the bottom you get the configuration depending on the size of your screen. So in my case, if I'm not mistaken, we should be, I believe, here. So it gives you a diagram of where everything goes, but don't worry too much about it. It's just a quick unboxing. I'll go step by step. As you can, if you have seen my videos before, I try to do everything as detailed as possible. So apart from that, all the first couple of pages is just different models of MMIs, and also to which model it applies. For example, this applies to an Audi A3 and Q5. So after the last diagram, it just gives you how do you connect your phone to your Apple CarPlay, if you're gonna use the cable, how to set it up, the mirroring function, Android Auto. Alright, we're gonna go into full detail in a few minutes, but just wanted to give you a quick unboxing of what you get. So actually, thumbs up for this manual. It's handy. Sometimes you don't know and you need to check the manual. Here you go, you got one. That's pretty good. So far I'm impressed. So I purchased it from AliExpress, if you guys are wondering, and I ordered it. It took 2 weeks to get here to Australia. So this is the actual module. So this is the configuration that I was telling. So this is the Wi-Fi antenna. This is the deep switch to configure it to the size of your screen. So I got the 7-inch screen. So when you buy it, they ask you which size. So they pre-configure this before shipping, which is pretty good. So you get mic, plugs, a bunch of cables that go from the factory connector to here, and power as well. So let's put this aside for now. Let's see what we get here inside. So this is pretty cool, guys. You're gonna stick this to one side of it, and then you're gonna put the other one in. I'll show you where it's gonna go, but this is pretty cool that they have included this in the package. Again, pretty good. Very impressed so far. A couple of tools, no big deal. The cable, so this end goes to the module, these two, they go to the radio, to the connectors that you already have in your car. So you need this to plug it. So when you're gonna use the Apple CarPlay or the module itself, you need to have it on the aux port. So this will help with that. Wi-Fi antenna. These keys that I actually asked before purchasing it, I kind of need these keys. They said that they'll put it in there. I'm not clear if this comes with the package, or they actually just added there for free, because what they say was, oh, we'll add that for you. So not sure, but thanks for that. And the actual harness. So it's, if you've seen my the video I did for my Grand Cherokee, one end goes to the factory harness, and then the other one goes to, well, this one goes to the factory harness, and this goes to the other end. Now, this is the power that goes to the module. You also get a microphone. You get a USB. I actually purchased a longer USB, so at the moment I'm gonna leave it just there, just right here. But later on, I'm thinking of running that cable through here and put the USB connection right there. But that might be, I'm not sure about it yet. What I liked about this was that, if you see here, I got 3. So front, rear, and if you want turn signal, like in your side mirrors. But you also have here the backup light, positive. You got the rear camera, positive. And this one is that if you're going to have a front facing camera, and you're also going to have cameras installed in your side mirrors, like at the bottom right there. So this is the positive for those cameras to activate it. So I think that's it. Yes, that's it. So on the next video, guys, I'm gonna show you step by step on how you can do this. Again, I'll put every single step in the video, and then maybe we can do a review after I've spent a few days with it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like. It would really help me out a lot. Thank you.